whole 2-gram stick. Enjoy expertly crafted coffee every day.
Okay, another banana, Madam Marsal. Sa kalimbag na yun, ha. Dito kasi ako sa Nakapin, eh. Nagsusupport sa Nakapin, si The Paladars. Ang iyong ganda at hindi na rin pinansin pa. Bawat ngiti mo'y may gayuma. Ayan, dito tayo. Kanino na tayo? May Marsal ulit. Tapos yung Maribik naman. Every time I love to Kiagos. Hello, Kiagos. How are you today, Kiagos? One banana, Madam Adsal. Ulit. Ito na naman, Madam Adsal. One banana for you. Madam Adsal, one banana ulit. May ads. Okay, may ads po siya, may ads. Madam Adsal, ha? Madam Adsal, banana ulit, banana. Si ano naman ang bigyan natin? Si Mama Maribik, Idol Edmonds at si Kiagos. Syuk, ay. One banana. Tapos na tayo kay Ma'am Maribik, kay Ma'am Merna. One banana again. Where is your face? Inside the screen of the YouTube. My face is in the desktop computer. Okay, one banana for you. Ayan. Ma'am Maribik, nasa ka na? Para isahan lang itong Maribik po yan. Banana again, Ma'am Maribik po yan. Uy, na to ha? Na headphones naman. Ito hindi pa na-subscribe kay headphones. Headphones, highlights. So, highlights, headphones. One banana, Idol headphones, highlights. Where is your face? My face is in the inside of the computer.
Malamang nasa story ko yan.
Okay, one banana ha. Idol headphones ha, one banana yan ha. Okay. On the wings of love. Ayan. Uy, meron na naman tayo. Dumating na naman yung mga mumo na to. One banana. And then Kiagos, one banana. Okay? One banana for you. Idol headphones ang buhok ko. Oh, di ba? Yung mga style ng buhok. Sana all na lang. Sige, piliin lang natin. 5 minutes yan eh. Highlights.